Okay, so anyway, today we're going to be doing blindfold makeup. I guess.
I guess what's called it.
So we got our makeup, and we're going to be doing it blindfold. Put that on the
Put
face.
yourself together.
Okay, so you're gonna put that on the face. So around the cheekbones and. You're gonna put that in the
Please
eyes.
don't poke my eye out.
Okay, close your eyes. And then
Close.
you're gonna put it on the bottom. And it's a beige color. This color right here. This color, okay. And then you're gonna put it in the other eye. There we go. This is the color. Okay. Okay, and then you're.
That's the same. Okay, no, then the black one. You're not gonna put that in, right?
Hold it.
I'm so scared. That's not even close to my eye.
Okay. Okay, where's the mascara?
Here, and then I even mascara.
Eyeliner.
Eyeliner on my eyebrow, guys. Oh, my other eyebrow. All right.
Oh, it's your eyebrow?
Yes.
Oh.
Okay. I think you just like, smeared everything.
Wait, there.
That was my eyebrow.
Blush and the cheekbone or the cheek.
My mouth.
Gonna give you a eyeliner? I don't know. But it's
My hair.
I mean,
That's mascara. Please do not take it on my eyebrows. That's my nose.
no.
That's my forehead.
Wait, come here.
I'm scared you're gonna poke my eye out.
Okay, so that's let me put lip gloss.
Well, that's too dark. That's not even.
It fell off.
What the? Oh, I'm done. Look at how horrible I look.
Show you.
You should show yourself.
Hi. Show the makeup.
No, you show me.
Then what's the point of this?
I look horrible.
Wait, you gotta show the.
Face.
No, it's my hair.
Oh, well. You know.
And you're
Yeah.
telling-
I'm an artist.
And you're telling me.
You're beautiful. Oh, you're fabulous. Okay. This is what eyeshadow. And where are the brushes we use? Put that one. So you're gonna have two different colors. You're gonna put that one. This one right here. And then here's the define yourself. And this is put this up. Do not move, child. I think that's your mouth.
Be careful, cause then, like the other one.
I think it's hold on. Okay.
Put it in my eye.
Oh, real? Alright, well, we'll just stop with that one. But, eyeliner.
Oh god.
Right there. And then right here, and then. other cheek. Okay. And last, mascara.
Oh.
Which I will. I think I put your eye, I'm not sure.
Yeah. Okay.
And then, yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful masterpiece. Horrible masterpiece.
And that's how you do that.
You look horrible.
At least I did a better job on you.